Oh, no. This is a hot weapon.
Oh, snap.
We're condition 3 on this bad boy. I'm going to do it like it would be done if we was in combat with it. Your gun's always going to be loaded. At least I seen it done on TV like that.
If that works, great. She's on safe.
Yeah, it's on safe. If the rope breaks, I'll go get it.
I'm gonna second. Yeah, because let's just do this one time.
You don't need to double that rope up, Pat.
No, we good.
You need hair and makeup, Pat. You want me to call hair and makeup for you real quick, buddy?
Mike ain't hung around us long enough to know just if something's gonna go wrong. Snap! Bloop. Well, all right, I'm heading back to the beach.
I got confidence in this gun.
You have confidence in Phil's rope.
How many times you ever cast the lure and that thing just kept right on going, you know?
You want to say anything? Say a prayer or something before we start this thing? Nope. I mean, you want to talk about it when are you going to voice over all this?
Yeah, I'll let him talk about it in a minute when we're finished.
Okay. Yeah. All right. You tell me when you're ready.
All right, I've got the mic rolling. Just tell me what gun it is and what you're doing with it.
MTAC Hyper Rifle AR15 suppressed water submersion test. All right. We'll drain the barrel to make sure nothing's in the barrel.